Alright, here's part 3 of this 96 Ford conversion van. And the last part, because it sold. We sold it. I finally put it up for sale a few days ago. And we had over 30 people write us. It was crazy how many people wrote. But we had these ladies come out. They were really looking for this van. One of them brought their husband. They checked it out. They test drove it and they loved the van. They brought it right there on the spot. So we had $550 in it. We made about a $200 profit. So now the van's gone, on to something new right now. Okay, so here's a 1989 Nissan Sentra I'm interested in possibly buying. And the lady told me that she would take $100 for this thing. So I am definitely interested in possibly buying it. And if you see right here, it says beat up and rusted up beater car. Runs you can start, but battery stays. They're keeping the battery, so I gotta buy the battery for it. Driver's side window doesn't work. When car is started and put in gear, it shuts off. Believe it's torque converter. Gonna need tow, title in hand. What y'all think? 89 Sentra, it's automatic. Would you buy it? It's a $100 car. She told me if I bring her $100, I can have it. I guess she just needs this thing out of her driveway, off her yard, off her property. Would you buy it? I mean, I know the torque converter, you gotta like get to the transmission and like take it apart, but I mean, it's $100. Good little project car. I've been looking for a project car. Let me know if you would buy this, and also let me know if you have one and how yours runs. If you've had any problems with it, let me know.
I got him. Makes something bigger than that, these big Duramax, but he's got his own land company. And,
yeah, those are nice meaty tires.
He's back.
What y'all think about these Jeep pickup trucks? I think they look weird. Let me know. Definitely a project car. Let me see. Very dusty inside. Just red seats. We can't see inside. Definitely some restoring. Let me see what the other side look like. Okay. And it's dusty. That thing is dusty as a mug. This is good restoring. The old Chevy truck over here. Dang. Yeah, I love these old vehicles though. Yeah, he ain't selling a custom deluxe. I like that though. That's cool. Alright, yeah, we're going here. One of my cars. I like that. It's a cool bike right there.
Yeah.
So this is the B12 I'm possibly considering after looking at all these other cars. This is the cheapest. Let me know what you think. Classic vet, classic Mustang. Look at that. That's nice. Wow, look at those.
You 11. Goodbye. Bye.